Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter Vector Algebra. To refresh our mind, let's do Brahmanad. Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti. Shanti. My dear students, in last class we discussed the concept or theory of dot product, that is scalar product of vectors. Okay, and some properties of the dot product. Today we are going to discuss the problems related to dot product. Now let's see what are the problems today's. Now the question is, if ABC are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, so that vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equally inclined to the vector ABC. That means the angle between A plus B plus C is and A is alpha. Suppose the angle between B plus B plus C and beta, B is beta, and the angle between A plus B plus C and C is gamma. We have to prove alpha is equal to beta equal to gamma. This is our aim. So solution is what? Let given A dot B, A perpendicular to B, B perpendicular to C, and C perpendicular to A. That is A dot B is equal to 0, B dot C is equal to 0, and C dot A equal to 0. Also given magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of C. Let alpha, beta, gamma are the angles between A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, and A comma B comma C respectively. Okay, respectively. So what is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to what? A plus B plus C dot A divided by magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude of A. Now what is here? That is equal to A dot A, that is A square, magnitude A square, A dot B, and this is C dot A, divide by what? Divide by A plus B plus C magnitude into A magnitude. So this is equal to what? This is equal to magnitude A square, this is 0 plus 0 plus 0, divided by A plus B plus C magnitude A magnitude. So this is whole square. So cos alpha is equal to what? So cos alpha is equal to, cancel here, magnitude A by A plus B plus C magnitude. Similarly cos beta is equal to what? Similarly cos beta is equal to A plus B plus C dot B divided by magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude B. So A dot B is equal to 0, B dot B is equal to magnitude B square, B dot C equal to what? 0, divided by magnitude of A plus B plus C, that is equal to magnitude of B divided by magnitude of A plus B plus C. Okay. Similarly cos gamma is equal to what? Cos gamma is equal to what? cos gamma is equal to, now cos gamma is equal to a plus b plus c dot c divided by what? Divided by a plus b plus c magnitude into magnitude of c. Now a dot c is equal to 0, b dot c is equal to 0, c dot c, that is magnitude c square, whole divided by a plus b plus c magnitude into what? C magnitude. So it is here, that is equal to here b magnitude, here b magnitude, correct. So this is equal to what? Magnitude c by magnitude of a plus b plus c. Okay, now this is what? Magnitude of c divided by magnitude of a plus b plus c. As we know, magnitude of a is equal to magnitude of b is equal to magnitude c, given since magnitude of a is equal to magnitude of b is equal to magnitude of c, that implies what? Magnitude of a divided by magnitude of a plus b plus c, b magnitude divided by a plus b plus c, and plus c magnitude divided by a plus b plus c. So this is equal to what? Cos alpha is equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma, that implies alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So therefore equivalent, therefore the angles are equal. This is our proof. So this is proved, equal inclined. Now another question. Prove by vector method altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Okay, now suppose this is let triangle ABC, this is the triangle A B C whose position vector is A and B and this is C. Altitudes means what? This is altitude, this is perpendicular, and this is another altitudes here. So this perpendicular, this is suppose point of intersection origin. Okay, let solution, let ABC, let ABC be a triangle whose vertices having position vectors A, B and C respectively. Now this is suppose D and this is suppose E. Let the altitudes what? AD and BE intersects at the point O. Okay, clearly that is what? BE perpendicular to what? BE perpendicular to AC and AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, now we have to prove that the line, the vector passing drawn from this C, vertex C, and passing through O, and it is perpendicular to the side AB. It is our aim to prove. Okay, So that implies BE, or we can write here BE is perpendicular to what? BE is perpendicular to, that is BE, that is BE means what? OB or what? BE perpendicular to AC, or we can write OE perpendicular to what? OC, or BO perpendicular to the extended BO, that is extended BO, extended BO vector is perpendicular to SC vector. So similarly here extended what? CO vector is perpendicular to what? Extended AD means what? AO vector. AO vector is perpendicular to BC vector. Now from this data, what is position vector of BO? Suppose this is B vector, and BO means what? Minus B vector. That is what? BO vector perpendicular to what? SC vector. That implies what? The minus B dot what? C vector minus A vector is equal to 0. So what happens here? Minus B dot C, and this is what? Plus A dot B is equal to 0. Or we can say A dot B is equal to B dot C. Suppose this is equation 1. Okay, and here that is what? Minus A dot C minus B is equal to 0. Clear? That is what? That implies minus A dot C plus A dot B is equal to 0. That implies A dot B is equal to what? A dot C. So this is equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, what happens? From equation 1 and 2, what? A dot B is equal to B dot C, A dot B is equal to A dot B equal to C. So B dot C is equal to A dot C. Now this is equal to what? This is B dot C minus A dot C is equal to what? 0. So C common here, that is what happens here? That is C dot B minus A is equal to 0. That implies what? That implies C vector perpendicular to B minus A vector. So C vector means what? C means OC perpendicular to B minus A means what? B AB vector. If OC perpendicular, then suppose this is F, this is suppose F, that implies AF perpendicular to what? AB. This is perpendicular. We have here we proved that CF or FC perpendicular to AB. Therefore the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Therefore the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. The altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Okay, got it? The altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. Now another question. The perpendicular proved by vector method. The perpendicular bisectors perpendicular bisector of sides of triangle, sides of a triangle, sides of a triangle. The perpendicular bisectors of sides of a triangle are concurrent. Okay, this is the question. Now suppose this is the triangle ABC whose vertices having position vector A, and this is B, and this is what? C vector. Now what is perpendicular bisector of the sides? Means we have to bisect this line perpendicularly. Suppose this is the midpoint and bisector, this is perpendicular bisector, means 90 degree here, and these two parts are equal. Again suppose this is the midpoint and this is what? The midpoint, and this is 90 degree suppose. Okay, and this is what? Another bisector of the sides. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to what? This side. Clear? So let ABC solution, let A, B, C be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle having position vectors and vertices whose vertices having the position vectors A, B and C. Okay, vertices having the position vectors A, B and C bar. Clear? Now suppose this is the point is O. Suppose this point is O, and suppose this is what? D, and this is E, and this is F. Let OD, OE and OF are the perpendicular bisectors, bisectors of the side BC, SC and FB respectively. So what is now? Now let the perpendicular bisectors of sides that is OD and OE intersect at O. Clear? Now OD perpendicular what? This is midpoint. PB of D, what is G? What is OD? OD vector, that is position vector of OD means position vector of D. D is here midpoint. Okay, that is what? D, E, F are midpoints of D, E, F are midpoints of what? BC, SC and FB respectively. Okay, now OD, position of vector D means OD vector is equal to what? OD vector is equal to B plus C by 2, B vector plus C vector by 2, and OE vector is equal to what? A plus C by 2, and what? OF vector is equal to what? OF vector is equal to A plus B by 2. Now we can write OD perpendicular to what? OD perpendicular to BC. That implies what? OD means what? B plus C by 2 dot BC means what? C minus B is equal to 0. That implies what? That implies that is B plus C or C plus B, magnitude C square B dot C and C dot B dot cancel, so magnitude C square minus magnitude B square by 2 is equal to 0. That implies what? Magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of C. Again let's okay, again what? OE perpendicular to AC. So that is what is A OE? Position vector of OE, A plus C by 2 dot C minus A by 2 is equal to 0. That implies what? Magnitude of C square minus magnitude of A square by 2 is equal to 0. That implies what? Magnitude of C is equal to magnitude of A. Now to prove OD perpendicular to AB. Now to prove what? Sorry, OF perpendicular to AB. What is position vector of OF? What is position vector of OF? That is implies A plus B by 2 dot. What is position vector of AB? That is what? B minus A is equal to 0. So that implies what? Magnitude of B square minus magnitude of A square. This should be 0. We should prove. Okay. Now this is what? Or we can write one step here. We have to prove that this. That is to prove, or that is to prove what? OF dot AB is equal to 0. We have to prove. Okay. We have to prove OF dot AB is equal to 0. What is OF means what? OF means this is OF A plus B by 2 dot, this is what? B vector minus A vector. This should be 0. We have to prove. So this is now this is one step here for better understanding. Now write here like this: OF perpendicular to what? AB. That is what? OF means what? OF means A plus B by 2 dot B minus A dot B minus A. That is equal to magnitude of B square minus magnitude of A square by 2. This is this is from 1 right here. This is equation 1 and this is what? Equation 2. From here, from 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2 what? Vector A is equal vector magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of C. So magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. This is equal to what? 0, because magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of C. Okay, this is 0. Why? That is bracket is, this is 0 because magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B is equal to magnitude of B. Therefore the Therefore the perpendicular bisectors are concurrent. Therefore perpendicular bisectors of a triangle, perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle, are concurrent. This is the proof of this question. Okay, now let's see another example question. Now prove by vector method median to the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. So this is, suppose the triangle, this is the triangle ABC whose position vector is A, and this is equal to B, and this is what, this is equal to C. Let AB is equal to AC. Isosceles triangle. Solution: let ABC be an isosceles triangle whose vertices having position vectors A, B and C respectively. Okay, this is triangle ABC and whose vertices having the position vectors A, B, C. Okay, the position vectors having the vertices having position vector ABC. Now suppose AB is equal to side what? AC. Side AB is equal to side AC. So what happens here? That is side AB is equal to side AC. That is magnitude of AB is equal to magnitude of AC. Okay. So what happens here? That is AB means what? B minus A magnitude is equal to C minus A magnitude. So squaring both sides, that is equal to what? B square plus A square minus what? Minus 2AB. Or we can write here, or it can be easy if it will be easy if we AB. So take origin is, it will be easy if we take origin. Let OABC, sorry, this is OAB be a triangle whose position vectors, that is origin 0, and this is A and this is what? B vector. So let OAB be isosceles triangle whose vertices having position vector is what? 0 vector, A vector and B vector respectively. Now suppose this side is equal to this side. OA magnitude is equal to OB magnitude. That is equal to what? Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. Now let C is the midpoint of this. This is what? The isosceles triangles. So that medians mean what? This is midpoint. Let C be the midpoint of the side AB. Now OC is a median. OC vector is the median. So we have to prove OC vector perpendicular to AB vector. Now that is what? OC vector. This is what? The position vector. C is the midpoint of AB. That implies OC vector is equal to what? Vector A plus vector by B by 2. Now this is OC. Now OC vector dot AB vector. That implies what? A plus B by 2, and AB vector means what? Dot B minus A. So this is equal to what? Magnitude B square minus magnitude A square by 2. So this is equal to 0 since or because magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. Clear? Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B because this side is equal to this side. Clear? So magnitude of B is equal to what? Magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B, and we find OC dot AB. OC dot AB is equal to what? 0 here. That is the OC is the median to the base of the isosceles triangle is what? Perpendicular. Now what is the question? Median to the base of, therefore median to the base of an isosceles triangle what? Is perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular to the base. This is proved. Now another question. This question is proved by vector method. The parallelogram whose diagonals are equal is a rectangle. Suppose this is a parallelogram whose diagonals are equal. Means what? This is suppose vector A and this is vector B. Clear? This is vector A and this is vector B. Now this is suppose what? O A and this is what? Suppose this is B and this is C. So let OBC solution, let OACB be a parallelogram where OA vector is equal to A and OB vector is equal to B vector. So given that OC is equal to what? AB vector. Given that what? OC vector is equal to magnitude of OC vector is equal to what? Magnitude of AB vector. Now in triangle, that is you by parallelogram vectorial addition, this is B vector and this is what? B vector. So by triangle law, in triangle what? In triangle OAC, that is OC vector is equal to A plus B vector. Okay. Now in triangle, that is what? This is B vector. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, what is AB vector? AB vector is what? This same direction. Okay, AB, and this is what? This is this direction A, and this is minus A, and this is plus B vector. So OA is equal to what? In triangle OAB, that is AO vector plus OB vector is equal to what? AB vector. OA vector means AO vector, not OA, that is OA vector. So OA vector is equal to minus A plus B is equal to what? AB vector. That implies what? AB vector is equal to BA minus A vector. According to question, now we have to prove this is if the diagonals are equal, then the parallelogram is a rectangle. It is our motto to prove. Okay. So as per the according to question according to question, what is the given? Given is OC diagonal is equal to what? AB magnitude. So OC means what? That is equal to A plus B magnitude is equal to what? A plus B magnitude is equal to B minus A magnitude. Now squaring it. Now squaring this, what? Squaring, that is implies A plus B magnitude whole square is equal to what? B minus A magnitude whole square. So by formula, magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square, this is my plus what? 2 into A dot B. This is the formula. Is equal to what? Magnitude B square plus magnitude A square minus 2A dot B. So A square, magnitude A square goes cancel. Magnitude B square goes cancel. That is what? 4A dot B is equal to 0. That implies A dot B is equal to 0. That implies the side OA is perpendicular to the side OB. Therefore, this is 90 degree and this is each angle is 90 degree. If the each angle is 90 degree and diagonals are equal, then this is a rectangle. Therefore OACB is a rectangle. Clear? Again one question. The question is what? Prove by vector method the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angle. Okay. So suppose this is a rhombus. Rhombus means what? Four sides, the quadrilateral whose four sides are equal is called a rhombus. Okay. This magnitude of this side, four sides are equal. Okay. So this is take OA. This is take suppose OA and this is equal to A, this is equal to A, and this is equal to what? B vector, and this is suppose C and this is B. Let OACB is a rhombus. Okay. So rhombus, that is magnitude of rhombus where OA vector is equal to A, OB vector is equal to B. But since OACB is a rhombus, therefore what? Magnitude of OA is equal to magnitude of B, OB, OC. Okay. Magnitude of OA is equal to OC is equal to magnitude of BC is equal to magnitude of OB. So that implies from this we get magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. Now suppose this is what? A diagonal. Now this is a diagonal. So join OC and AB. Join the diagonal or draw the diagonal. Draw the diagonal OC and AB. From the figure, from or in triangle, what? OAC. What is to OAC? OC is equal to what? This is A vector and this is B vector. That is what? A plus B. In triangle, what is OAB, in triangle OAB, what is AB vector? AB vector, this is what? A minus, that is B minus A. This is AB vector means what? B minus A. This position vector is A and this position vector is B. So AB means what? B minus A, clear. Now we have to prove, this is what? This is in triangle OAB, this is AB vector is equal to, now OC dot AB, now we have to, now OC dot AB, OC means what? OC means vector, that is A plus B dot B minus A. So this is equal to what? This is equal to magnitude of B square minus magnitude of A square. So this is equal to 0 because, or since, this is sign for, symbol for since magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. Therefore OC perpendicular to what? OC perpendicular to AB. Therefore the diagonals of rhombus are at right angle, intersect at right angle. The diagonals of rhombus intersect at right angle. Okay. Prove by vector method, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. The solution is what? Solution, this is suppose the diameter and this is semicircle. This is what? Semicircle. This is semicircle. So this is center of the center O. Angle, this is suppose any point P and this is A and this is B. We have to prove the angle, this angle is 90 degree. We have to prove angle APB is 90 degree. Here this is position vector A, suppose this is what? This is position vector A and this is position vector B. Here what? This is equal to A and this is equal to B. So A is equal to minus B or B is equal to minus A, or we can say suppose this is what? A vector and this is, suppose this point is called, suppose this is A whose position vector is equal to A and this is A dash whose position vector is minus A vector. Okay, and this is what? Any vector, say this is R vector, or this is what? Any vector, say this is suppose R vector, suppose this is R vector, any vector, or A vector, B vector, suppose this is B vector, or we can say B vector. Let A dash P be A dash B A is a semicircle, whose center is at origin. Center is at origin. Okay. Now let OA vector is equal to what? A vector, and O dash is equal to what? Minus A dash, because the direction is opposite. Okay, because the direction is opposite. Now let P be any point on the semicircle. on the semicircle whose position vector, whose position PV means position vector is suppose B vector, that is OP is equal to B vector, that is we can say OP, we can say that is OP vector is equal to B vector. Clearly this is what? This is now our aim to prove the angle A dash P is 90 degree. Okay, these are the aims to prove. Okay, then join this. This is OP. This is OP. Now, what is this is equal to what? B vector. Clearly, magnitude of OA vector is equal to magnitude of OA dash vector is equal to magnitude of OP vector is equal to what? So that implies vector A magnitude is equal to vector B magnitude. Okay, then what is we have to prove? We have to prove that is M angle A dash P A is equal to 90 degree. Now what is A dash P? Now A dash P is equal to what? A dash P is equal to B minus A, vector B minus vector A. Now what is AP? That is vector A minus vector B. Now the dot product is now A dash P vector. Now A dash P vector dot AP vector is equal to what? Now A dash P, this is A dash P and AP vector is equal to what? B minus A dot so this is AP dash means what? This is B vector plus A vector, okay, minus of one. So B vector plus A vector dot B vector minus A dot. So we know that is B dot B magnitude B square and B dot A, this is minus B dot A or A dot B, and this is what? And plus A dot B, this is magnitude A square. So this goes cancel, that is magnitude B square minus magnitude A square. Since this is equal to 0, since magnitude A is equal to magnitude B, therefore that implies what? A dash P vector perpendicular to AP vector, therefore M angle A dash P A is equal to 90 degree. Proved. Okay, then another question. In proof by vector method, in any triangle ABC, A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Okay, this formula is also called projection formula. This formula is also called projection formula. Okay, so the solution, that is proof, is what? Proof is, suppose this is triangle ABC. This is what? A, B, C. Clear? And this is what? Extend this, and extend this. Suppose this is A vector and this is B vector and this is C vector. Now angle between A and B, angle between A and B is this. Suppose this is A, this is capital A, and this is what? Pi minus A. Similarly, this angle between, this is what? Angle between C vector, angle between B vector, this is equal to what? This is pi minus A. This is pi minus C, sorry, this is pi minus C, angle between A and B, and angle between B and C, this is what? Pi minus A. This angle is what? Pi minus A, this angle. This is C vector. Okay. So this is what? This is angle between, this is A and this is pi minus A, and this is what? Pi minus A vector, and this side is C, and what is this angle? This angle is what? This is point B, and this is angle is pi minus B. Clear? So let ABC be a triangle, where BC vector is equal to A vector, BC vector equal to A vector, CA vector is equal to B vector, AB vector is equal to what? C vector. AB vector is equal to C vector. From the figure, this is direction of A equal to here, direction of B is here, direction of C here. So it is closed. If the figure is closed, then its sum of the vectors. Sum of the vectors is 0. So here AB vector plus what? This is BC vector. This is what? BC vector plus what? CA vector plus AB vector is equal to 0 vector. Is equal to 0 vector. Why? This is closed. So this is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. Okay. Now we have to find the projection formula, that is A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Our aim is to prove this. So keep A in left side and other terms in right side, minus B minus C. Again take dot product of A both side. A dot A is equal to minus B minus C dot A. That is equal to A dot A is square of matrix A square. This is what? Minus A dot B minus C dot A. So A square is equal to what? Minus A dot B, means A magnitude of A, simple A you can write, magnitude of B, simple B you can write, cos theta. What is theta? Means the angle between vector A and vector B. Vector A and vector, that is cos pi minus C. Cos pi minus C. Minus CA. What is the angle between C vector and A vector? This is what? This is C vector and this is A vector. Pi minus B. Cos pi minus B. Now A square is equal to what? AB cos C plus AC cos B. So take A common, cancel here. A square is equal to A into B cos C plus C into what? C cos B. So A cancel, that is equal to what? A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. This is if the question is here we can also find, this is the projection formulas. Similarly the projection B is equal to what? B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. These are the projection formula. Okay, the question may be like this also. The question may be like, if this is homework. This is homework. In any triangle ABC, prove that B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. Prove that B is equal to A cos C plus C cos A. This is the question. This is homework for you. Prove that B is equal to A cos C plus what? C cos A. And C is equal to not vector here, only scalar. B is equal to only scalar, first bit, and second bit is C is equal to what? A cos B plus B cos A. This is homework for you. Okay, now another question. Prove that, another question, prove by vector method in any triangle ABC, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, or cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. This is called cosine formula. Same concept here, same triangle as previous question. Let ABC be a triangle, same concept, same. Okay, prove. Let ABC be a triangle, same concept to write here, where BC vector is equal to A vector and CA vector is equal to B vector and AB vector is equal to C vector. Here BC vector plus CA vector plus AB vector is equal to 0 because it is closed. That implies A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0. That implies what? That is same concept, A vector equal to minus of B minus C vector, and take both sides A dot A is equal to minus B minus C dot A. Replace the value of A is equal to what? Minus B minus C. So A dot C is equal to what? Minus B minus C. What is A vector here? A vector means this is A vector. Okay, this is the value of A. Suppose this is equation 1. So value of A is minus dot here, minus B vector minus C vector. So this is what? A, this is A. So A square is equal to B dot B, that is B square, and what? Minus what? And what? This is equal to B square, and this is what? Plus BC vector plus B dot C. This is what? Plus B vector C vector plus what? C vector B vector, it is B vector C vector, and this is what? This is C square. So A square is equal to what? B square plus C square plus what? 2B dot C. 2B dot C. That is what? A square is equal to B square plus C square plus 2B dot C, means BC into cos angle between B and C. What is angle between vector B and vector C? This is angle between vector B and vector C. This is pi minus A. Here pi minus A because the angle between vector B and this is vector C. This angle is A and this is angle is pi minus A. Correct? So angle between B vector and C vector is what here? Pi minus A. Put pi minus A here. Okay? then that is a square is equal to b square plus c square. What is pi? Cos of pi minus a, that is minus cos a. So minus 2bc into cos a. Or we can write what? 2bc cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square, and cos a is equal to what? B square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, now homework for this type of question. Homework for this type of question. Now, in triangle AOB, M angle AOB is 90 degree. So, M angle AOB, this is what? This is a triangle. Okay, this is O, and this is A, and this is B. So, this is what? X-axis, and its length is what? A vector. Suppose this is length is A, and the direction is I cap, and this length is B, and direction is what? J cap. So this is what? Let AOB a triangle proof. Let AOB be a triangle where OA magnitude is equal to A, OB magnitude is equal to B. Now OA vector is equal to what? Now OA vector is equal to, suppose AI cap, because along x-axis, OB vector is equal to BJ cap. This is along x-axis and this is along y-axis. Okay, so given M angle AOB 90 degree, that implies what? AB square is equal to what? AB square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay, AB square is equal to A square plus B square. Now P and Q, let P and Q are the trisection. This is suppose point P, this is 2:1, and this is point Q. This is what? 1:2. This is 2. Okay, let P and Q are the points of trisections. P divides AB in the ratio what? 1:2, and Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. This is let. Now PV of P, that is OP. What is OP? OP vector is equal to what? 1:1 into A vector. This is A vector and this is what? B vector. Plus 2 into B vector by 1 plus 2. That is what? A vector plus 2B vector by 3. OQ vector is equal to what? OQ vector is equal to what? OP square is equal to what? OP square is equal to A plus 2B vector by 3 whole square. That is equal to what? That is equal to A square plus 2B square plus 2. Here that is A dot angle A, that implies A dot B is equal to 0. Okay, A dot B is equal to 0. 2A dot B by 9. So that implies OP square is equal to A square plus 2B square. This is 0 by, okay, this is 0. That is A square plus 2B square that is 4b, sorry, this is 4b square and this is what, 4ab. So 4b square, a square plus 4b square plus 0 by, this is 9. So this is 9, this is 4b square, clear? And similarly OQ, now OQ vector is equal to what? That is 2:1, 2 into a vector plus b vector by 2 plus 1, that is 2a plus b by 3. OQ square is equal to same thing, 4a square plus b square plus what? 4a dot b, a dot b by what? 3. So a dot b equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So OQ vector is equal to 4a square plus b square by, this is 3, not 3, this is 9, this is 9. Now left hand side, what is left hand side? Left hand side of the proof is OP vector, OP square plus OQ square is equal to what? This is equal to this is equal to a square plus 4b square plus what? 4a square plus b square by 9. So 5a square, this is equal to 5 common, a square plus b square by 9. So this is equal to 5 by 9, a square plus b square means ab square, ab square, proved, okay. This is what? OP square is equal to a square plus b square, 4b square. OQ square is equal to what? OQ square. This is OQ square, not vector here. This is OQ square. So this is OQ square. OQ square is equal to 4a square plus b square. Putting the values of OP square, OQ square. Now here a square, 5a square and 5b square. 5 common and 9 divided by 9. And this is equal to 5 by 9. This is equal to what? A square plus b square is equal to what? That is ab square. Hence proved. Now last question is, now another question, prove by vector method angle between two main diagonals of a cube is cos inverse 1 by 3. Suppose this is the 3D figure, this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is suppose z-axis. Z-axis means towards odds. Z-axis means towards odds. So this is a suppose cube. This is a cube. Length, whose length is, this is origin, whose length is a. Let's prove. Let OA, this is O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let OA, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube whose length of each adds is a unit. Now OA is along x-axis. Okay. This is along x-axis. What is vector? This is OA vector is equal to what? OA vector is equal to a vector and this is a vector and this is what? AI cap. 0 0. Okay. AI cap. This is what? OA is along is what is main diagonal? What is two main diagonals here? What is two main? Now to prove angle between two main OG, write the vertices. This is what? A 0 0. This is x-axis A 0 0 and this is what? on xy plane z is constant, z is 0, xy plane z is 0, so a 0, and this is what, this is y axis 0 a 0, and this is z axis, this is 0 0 a, and this is 0 0 0 origin, and here two main diagonals say, that is what, OG and EF, or you can say CF. Suppose CF and this is what, DA. Now here let two main, here two main diagonals are what, are, this is what, ACFC, AC and what, AC and AC, sorry, this is what, AD, this is the diagonal, and this is what, another diagonal, this is another. So CFDA or AD and what, FC, AD and FC. So what is AD? AD is equal to D minus A. What is coordinate of D? That is on YZ plane. This is YZ, 0 A 0 A. Okay, and this is 0 A, and this is what, XZ plane means Y constant, Y0 A 0 A. This is A point is lies on the XZ plane, so Y coordinate 0, and D point lies on YZ plane, means X coordinate 0, A. Clear? And this is A. Okay, now AD means D minus A, 0 minus A, that is minus A minus 0, this is A, this is A, this is A. Okay, this can be written as minus AI cap plus AJ cap plus AK cap. Similarly, FC means C minus F, 0 minus A 0 here, A minus 0, and A minus A is equal to 0 here, not 0 here, that is 0. Okay, 0 minus A, A minus 0, and this is what? This is 0, 0. Now, FC, C minus A, FC means C minus A, 0 minus A, minus A, 0 minus A minus 0 minus A minus A minus 0, A, and what? 0 minus A. Clear? This is what? First is, this is what? DA. So 0 minus A and A minus 0. What is this? A and A minus 0. This is A. So AZ cap, AK cap. So this is FC. 0 minus A minus A minus 0, A, 0 minus A. So this is equal to what? Now this is equal to minus AI plus AJ minus A cap. Now let theta be the angle between AD vector and FC vector. Now AD dot FC, AD magnitude is what? AD magnitude is equal to A square plus A square plus A square, that is root 3A, and FC magnitude equal to what? A square plus A square plus A square, that is root 3A. Now AD dot what? AD dot FC is equal to what? A square plus A square plus A square, A square plus A square plus A square, A square plus A square minus A square, that is what? A square. Okay, so now theta is equal to cos inverse AD dot FC by magnitude of AD into what? Magnitude of FC. So theta is equal to cos inverse what? This is cos inverse A square by root 3A into root 3A. Root 3A into root 3A. So theta is equal to cos inverse A square by 3A square. This is equal to what? A square cancel. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. This is the proof. These are the some problems related to dot product. Okay. Now in next class we will do some extra problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.